2008 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as 4-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, power outlet, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. This vehicle is accident-free, qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee, and is a Carfax one-owner vehicle. Get a fast and easy price quote today.